Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, basically what this is a rug that you can use at home, in an office, or anywhere you guys want to. The one that I have right here is a Pokemon rug, and this one I actually wanted for a really long time because I've been eyeing it for a long time as well on like Wish. So before I open this up, let me actually show you guys what the listing looks like on Wish first. So basically on the listing itself, this is what it looks like. If you can see, the first one is Eevee, but you guys scroll to the right and keep going, and if you guys take a look right here, they basically have one for almost every single evolution of Eevee. So if you guys play Pokemon, this is totally perfect for you guys, but if you guys don't play Pokemon, you guys probably don't know which Pokemon these are or what these are. So the one that I got was the one right here in the middle, which is a Vaporeon. So let's open up and show you guys what it actually looks like first. It's quite big. The one that I got here is 80 centimeters. So if you guys want anything bigger than this, there is a 100 centimeter one. I think this 81 is actually quite big already for me. In terms of the quality itself, the front part feels quite nice, but probably you guys want to like wash it or something first before using it, because I can see like a lot of like fabrics or whatever on here. Maybe use like a sanitizing wipe or something to wipe it off before using it or whatnot. So that's what the front part looks like. This is what the back part looks like. It has all the like anti-skid material on the bottom part, so that way it won't move and whatnot. I really like the design overall of the actual product itself. It has all the different Pokeballs right here. It has all the different evolution forms right here. So that's basically the overall product itself. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I got it for roughly around like $24 or $25 on Wish, and the delivery time that I bought was the express shipping. So if you guys don't buy express shipping, it might take a little bit longer. I'm not too sure. So like I ordered this product like a week ago and it came within a week, so it actually was pretty fast shipping. So pretty much long story short, yes, this is worth it if you guys need one or want one of these, especially if you guys are a Pokemon fan. You guys can buy one of these or any of the other evolution, but this is definitely a really cool product, and it's really small and compact, so you can bring this anywhere you guys want to. If you guys want to leave it at your desk, at home, or wherever, that's up to you guys. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback of this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have